Welcome to How to Keto. Today we're going to make spicy beef and cabbage. Yeah, and we have the cabbage, chicken broth, beef, and the spices already mixed right here. And we're going to put 4 cups of the broth into an Instant Pot, and we're going to heat it up, cook it for about 15 minutes, heat it up, then dissolve the spices in the Instant Pot. And this is going to cook for about an hour and a half, and at about the hour mark, I'm going to put the beef in after I brown it. And then it should be ready to go. So this is going to take probably about a little over an hour, and actually a little over an hour and a half, and it's really, really good. Hope you try it. All right, so this is the end result. I would say just cook the cabbage in this mix for 1 hour at like the 30 or 45 minute point, or even after you're done, you can add the beef, and it really just kind of soaks in. It cools the spice down a little bit, but it still remains pretty spicy with this recipe. So you can back off some of the peppers if it's too spicy. I would add a little more salt. I'm going to add that in the description, but it comes out very good. And this was a request by Susan, so here you go. Oh, you can also add some sour cream to it to cool it off, because some people need to do that.